How many times do you just pull up at the car meet? The car is nice, clean, everything. Then you pull up your hood. What happened? Everything is dirty, nasty. It happens when you actually wash the car late at night. Everything is nice, but then you pull out the car in the garage and you want to clean under the hood, and it's just too dark. And today I'm gonna help you with that hood light. I got this one from Craftsman, so without further ado, let's jump into it. So today's video, we're gonna talk about the Craftsman hood light. I just bought it a few months ago. It's a LED automotive hood light. It's tool only. I happen to own a bunch of Craftsman batteries and products, so for me it's not an issue. If you just buy the hood light, it tells you right here everything is sold separately, so make sure you snag one of those if you didn't have it. And the battery is fully charged, which I'm gonna also check how many time or hours it's gonna take to drain it. Now it has two brightness. The lower setting has 600 lumens and the higher setting has 1200 lumens, and this is the product information. Now my channel is about automotive. This is my 2021 wide body Dodge Challenger Scatback. I just washed it. It's super clean. Everything looks pretty clean, even the white calipers. Look at the tires are shining and everything. But even with 30,000 lumens, as you guys can see, which is plenty illumination, sometimes it's still dark. You can see it's very dirty, and there's still soap right there or foam. So it's not bad, but because it's kind of daytime outside, but sometimes you wash the car later at night and it's very dark. Let me turn the lights off in the garage, then you'll have a better idea what I'm talking about. If it would have been nighttime, this is not a great scenario. Now I can still turn this little light on because not everybody has 30,000 lumens, but it's nearly not enough light for me to work on. So I'm gonna actually turn the light back on, open the box, and then we'll see what the product has. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, right away we got the instructions. Okay, the box is empty. So this is all it brought. Okay, nothing here. Take the plastic off. I was wondering what kind of material this was. It's kind of a rubber-ish, so it should not harm your hood. Obviously I don't want to make any scratches. It's folded, so it's kind of it has some hooks here that will clip in with this side, so you can, it clicks back in, so that's pretty good. It has like a plastic, I thought it was scratch, but it's just plastic protection here, the film. Okay, now here's where your battery would go. Let's turn it on, make sure it works. I got here a power button, so it goes on. I have no idea if it's in the lower setting or the higher setting. I'm gonna hit the button one more time. That's the lower, I guess, and it's off. So only three options: high, low, and off. Simple. You can actually fold it back in and keep the battery on the outside, because obviously on this side would have been not very handy. So let's see how we can put it on the car. Okay, so you open the hood. Oh wait, there's something wrong here, because the light should be pointing down, but the hooks are here. Let me check. Uh-oh, I don't think this is gonna work, because I cannot put the battery here either. Let's see. Oh, never mind. It's just twist around. I guess it's for the angle. So I guess for the box, okay, it's pretty handy, so that works. So we're gonna hook one side here, and we're gonna stretch the other side. Okay. Now I see why it bends. So every hood is different. Here it touches here, but it's just a rubber or plastic again. Let me get a closer look for you guys. So it kind of touches there, but this is again plastic, so it's not gonna scratch the hood. And you can see here how flexible it is, which might be a good thing. I mean, it's a pretty wide car, this Challenger, but some cars are just smaller, then it won't open as much. So I don't know the range. If there's a range in the book, I will let you guys know. Now let me hit the button here. So right off the bat, pretty good illumination. I'm assuming I can twist. Oh yeah, look at that. I can twist it in. It has the protective layer, so let me take it off. You see, there we go. Okay, now so far it's looking pretty good. Let me check the lower illumination. Does the job, but not as great. And turning it off. Yeah. Now let me turn the 30,000 looms out. If you don't know, I have a video how I installed everything. Pretty easy and cheap light. Now let me turn it on now. It goes automatically to the higher setting. Look at that, boom. Now we're in business. So here you can definitely see how dirty the engine bay is. Now this is not a video how to clean the engine bay, because I'm not gonna take your time for that. But due to the magic of editing and YouTube, you're gonna see this engine being clean in 3, 2, 1. If you made it this far in the video, I think I'm doing something okay. So maybe you're just here for the hood light. Maybe you like Craftsman. Maybe you like clean engine bay. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I like cars. I like to do car reviews, product reviews. I go to car meets. I even support my buddies at the track. I'm not tracking this car yet. So there's a lot of stuff going on. Tomorrow I'm actually going to a car meet. So if you happen to catch me there, I'm in the DFW area. This is my Instagram. So I'll be subscribing to the Park Up Front app shortly to see what's the name of the car meet, and I'll be posting it on Instagram. So just swing by, talk to me. I'm just a regular guy, you know. So with that being said, thank you very much for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Out. Surprisingly, it does not get very hot.